Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so if you're happy with the information, simply tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. And just tap on reset settings. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, so let's tap on reset. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.